Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. My name is Rocki. I'm an Instagram marketing strategist and business coach. And if you don't know me, you will get to know me. So no worries. So I have not streamed in such a long time, but I'm super duper excited to dive right in because I'm going to be talking about Instagram and why you need to be on the platform. So since I have not streamed in a while, the reason why I want to come on and talk about this is because Instagram is so important, you guys. So what better place to start than to why you need to be on the platform? But before we even get into this, you need to know who I am, and I'm going to tell you exactly who I am. I'm Rocki, and my business is Social with Rocki. I'm an Instagram marketing strategist and business coach. I've been doing this for 8 years now. I've had such great success in doing Instagram marketing and management for clients and customers, and I've had the pleasure of voluntarily working for Gary Vaynerchuk in his Facebook group First in Line as a community manager. I've been a student coach for Kim Coles. I had the opportunity to do that, and I've been a student business coach for Jenna Saward. So amazing people, all met through network marketing, networking, not network marketing, networking. But the thing about it is I love Instagram so much, and I feel like it is the most neglected platform in the world. It is not just a photo sharing app, as Adam Missouri has said, but tons of businesses are on the platform, and you need to be on the platform as well. Not just be on the platform, but you need to be strategic on the Instagram platform. Okay. I myself have made multiple five figures. I haven't hit the six yet, but I will. I've made multiple five figures off of the platform by itself, off of digital products and course creation. And I teach people how to do that. Now, the clients and customers that I've had have done that as well. You can get sales, you can get leads, you can get so many different things off of the actual Instagram platform. And not many people know this. Okay. So I'm going to dive right in and I'm going to let you know why you yourself need to be on the platform. So if you're here, please type in your name so that I can say hello to you. And if not, then StreamYard is going to say Facebook user, and I don't know who you are. So I think you have to register with StreamYard. Not sure how that works. But let's get into some statistics because I love my numbers and some people are numbers people. All right. So with that being said, let's dive right in. Okay. By May 2021, Instagram has had over 1 billion active users, you guys. 1 billion active users. So with 1 billion active users, you guys, there's no way that your ideal customer and client is not on the Instagram platform. They're on there. 1 billion users, that's a lot of people. Hello, T. Hey, Camille. All right. Instagram is expected to have 107 million more users by the end of 2021 and rise by 126 million more by 2023. These aren't little numbers, you guys. These are huge, huge numbers. 40% of American adults have used Instagram. Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Twitter each have a smaller share of the market. Facebook and YouTube are the only other two well-known social media platforms. So Instagram is big, you guys, super big, all right? In 2019, Instagram produced an ad income of $20 billion, all right? So us as business owners are using their ads and they love that, right? Because they want us on the platform because they want our money, right? So we've used about $20 billion. I know some of those millions are mine for me trying to reach people through ads, all right? Let's keep it moving. The reach on Instagram. 71% of American people between the ages of 18 and 29 are on Instagram compared to 70% that are on Facebook and 30% that are on LinkedIn. Okay. So with that being said, although you're probably thinking, all right, Rocki, that's not my target market, 18 to 29-year-olds. It doesn't matter because it helps you build the brand awareness. The way that I think about things, because my target audience is between 24 to 44 individuals, that age group, right? But the way I think about it is if these 18 to 29-year-olds are on here, they have parents that I can market to, right? They may have businesses themselves because there are a lot of young entrepreneurs out there, right? So think about that, all right? In October 2020, there were 510 million females and 490 million male users. Instagram is favored social media site for 57 million American youth and 72% of those using it, okay? So they asked, what is your favorite platform? And people mentioned Instagram, all right? So that says a lot. All right. Now, for the content, Instagram users post 995 images a day. 995 images a day. That is a lot. Okay. The posting strategy, they go into posting strategy and they go into more insights. So, with that being said, you guys, I'm not going to beat you up with the statistics, but that just lets you know that 1 billion users is a lot of people, and you need to be on the platform. All right. So with that being said, I'm going to give you the reasons why you need to leverage Instagram. All right. Number one, Instagram is great for storytelling. All right. I love getting on the platform because I can tell story through pictures. Pictures are amazing and video is even better. That's why I'm starting to go live again, because people like to consume content really fast. Now with pictures, there are different type of learners. There are auditory learners, there are visual learners, there are people that like to just listen and hear, see. There's people that like to touch and do things in order to learn, right? So we need to reach everybody, all right? So if you are a visual type of person like me, I like to see things. I like to see charts. I like to see infographics. I want to see people, especially with product-based businesses, seeing people with your product or doing things with the product is best, all right? And you all can do this on Instagram. Plus, it's a fast scroll. You don't have to sit there and read a magazine or anything. You can just simply swipe, 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 and look through the post. Okay. So the way that you can use this platform is by showing off your products, demonstrating your videos, your speaking skills, showing your digital products and courses, teaching and training, okay, infographics, statistics, all of that great stuff can be shown on the Instagram platform, right? So there's different ways for you can do that. And with the storytelling function, right, the best way you can do that is with carousel posts. It starts out with one post, but you can have up to 10, okay? And the thing about carousel posts is the more that people swipe, the more that they will stay in your feed, and the more Instagram will give you the engagement that you need, because people are staying on your feed longer. So with that being said, they think that you're more interesting. All right. So that is great for storytelling. All right. So, next thing is visual content is essential to your marketing strategy, you guys, and it's so true. All right. Visual content. Now, I don't know about you. Maybe it's just me, but I can't read a blog post straight through that has no pictures, right? I need to see pictures. I need to see people. I don't want to just see words. And believe it or not, there's a lot of people out there that are like that. All right. With Instagram marketing, number three, you can reach so many different people, right? Instagram has this marvelous thing called hashtags, and you can use these hashtags as many ways, as many as you want. Well, not as many as you want, but you can use 30 and switch them out as often as you want to be seen by so many different people, okay? And that reach is ridiculous, okay? Now, I am known as the hashtag queen on Instagram because with my hashtags, I am able to get reach of over 1,000 to 20,000 impressions with hashtags alone. Impressions are how many times people see my post, okay? Reach is how many individual people see my post, all right? So with that being said, I'm going to give you a little example of what's on my Instagram account when it comes to my business page, and my Instagram is at social with Rocki. Great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jonathan. Hey, hey. All right, you guys. So when I go to my post, I'm just going to show you the insights. All right. So with my insights, hopefully you can probably see. All right. This is the post that I have. Okay. When I go to my insights, you can check out the reach. All right. The reach on my insights is 12,000. Let me see if I can try to. The reach of my insights is 12,224. That is telling me, you guys, that 12,224 people have seen my post. Imagine if that was a product, okay? Imagine if that was something that was pushing them to your landing page. Imagine if that is pushing them to your websites. That's potentially 12,224 people going to your website if you know how to market correctly, okay? But that's a whole nother topic, which the more lives I do, the more that I'll be able to tell you how to market correctly on Instagram. But I just want to let you know that the reach is ridiculous, okay? With that being said, it also offers you a good opportunity, number four, to engage with your community. I used to think that Instagram is not a huge community type of app. Like you're just supposed to look, like, scroll, tap, all those great things. No, it is about community. I've met some amazing friends on Instagram. We support each other. We talk, we have conversation. Give them something to talk about, right? In the comment section, what are you asking them to do? Comment if you agree. Comment if you don't agree. What are your thoughts? Conversate with each other. As the conversation is flowing, it builds community. Okay. When you have a powerful community hashtag that people can use, it builds a good community within the community hashtags, right? So with those community hashtags, the way that I love to create them is by making sure that whatever, so I have a merchandise brand. It's called Native Unicorn, and the hashtag is going to be unicorn habits. Hopefully no one has that, but if that was my community hashtags and others are using it, if I want to conversate with somebody within my community, then I'm going to click on unicorn habits and I'm going to have a conversation with those people, right? So that is something, a way that you can build community. All right. And also, community helps you with engagement. Now, I'm not talking about engagement pods. Engagement pods are bad. Stay away from those. I'll talk about that one day soon. However, I'm talking about the communication that I get to have with the people that have the similar interests that I have. Okay. So just think about that. All right. Instagram is amazing. Number 5, for your insights and analytics. Okay. We talked about this yesterday in my clubhouse room. Insights and analytics are so good. You get to know what content is working, what content's not working, what does your audience resonate with, who comments the most, what do they do, what don't they do. It's just so many different areas. All right. Your insights and analytics are a gold mine. And by far, and I'm not just saying this because Instagram is my favorite, but it has the best insights in the world. Hey, post at this time, post this type of content, your users like this type of content. Hey, you're reaching people in New York. Guess what? I'm going to tag people in New York because that's where my people are. All right. So insights and analytics are absolutely magical. Hello, Miss Ross. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So Instagram is also really, really good at spotting out your competitors. Now, I don't like to call them competitors because I'm really good at collaboration. I like collaboration over competition, right? But if I want to see what is the hot topic, then I'm going to use Instagram to see what other people are posting. For example, since I am in Instagram marketing and Adam Azori said, no, use 3 to 5 hashtags, I checked out the competition or my people I'm going to collaborate with and see what they're talking about the hashtags. Some were saying, that doesn't work. That was me. I was one of them. And some of them are saying, yeah, 3 to 5 hashtags work. But I was looking at the conversation, and based on that conversation, I knew where to steer my conversation to where I can get my audience to resonate as well. Okay. So checking out your competitors and seeing what they're doing is another benefit of Instagram. All right. So that being said, you guys, I'm not going to drag this out to make this a super long live. I am going to be live every day. But just know that if you have not been on the Instagram platform, now is the time to do so. Your audience is there and they are waiting for you, okay? And if you're thinking, oh my gosh, Rocki, I haven't been on Instagram in forever, guess what? It's okay. It's okay. You can get back on there right now and start posting again, okay? So we're going to soon be talking about how you can leverage your business on Instagram with Instagram marketing. We're going to be talking about the bio, your profile picture. We're going to talk about highlights. We're going to talk about stories. We're going to talk about live. We're going to talk about carousels. We're talking all things Instagram. So if you are brand new to my LinkedIn, make sure we connect. If you're brand new to Facebook in the group, hey. If you are one of my friends on my Facebook pages, hey to you as well. Okay. So hopefully we will get to know each other along these streams. Again, I'm going to be consistent. Hopefully you gain some knowledge. Make sure you comment and let me know what worked for you and what did not work for you. And hop back on the Instagram platform and the journey will begin for you. So, all right. Love you guys. Have a blessed and wonderful evening.